Hello friends, so today we have negatives, negating yes no questions, and then we have question word questions, and then also you have tag questions. Negation, primary verb negation, that's what we are now doing. Based on that we have an exercise today. So here you have to negate these sentences. Is he getting better? Isn't he getting better? Isn't he getting better? Or is he not getting better? So if you are not contracting it, then you can, is he not getting? Then not comes after the subject. He likes apples. Question tag. Positive sentence, so negative tag. It should be likes. So you have to take the example of does. Doesn't he? He likes apples. Comma. Doesn't he? Doesn't he? They don't play cricket. Same. Then do they? Because do they? Sentence is negative, so tag is positive. Alright. Are they reading? Aren't they reading? Negative. Okay. That is yes no question. Aren't they reading? Here it is. Isn't he? Isn't he? Isn't he? Why does he laugh? W is question. Why doesn't he laugh? Why doesn't he, etc. Why did he do it? Why didn't he do it? Why didn't he do it? Or if you are not contracting, it will be why does he laugh? Why does he not laugh? Why does he not laugh? And second, there are sixth one. Why did he do it? Why did he not do it? If you are not contracting, the not comes after the subject. And next, was he crying? Wasn't he crying? Wasn't he crying? He is happy. Question tag. Isn't he? Is happy? Isn't he? They are doing well. Again, question word. Question tag. Aren't they? Aren't they? Why has he done it? Why has he done it? Model. So why hasn't he done it? Why hasn't? Why hasn't, or why has he not? Either why hasn't he or why has he not done it? Were they living here? Yes or no questions. Weren't they? Weren't they? Weren't they living here? They are singing. Tag question. Aren't they? They are singing. Aren't they? He won't come. Will he? Will he? They may go. Mightn't they? Mightn't they, or won't they? Because there is no maint. There is no short form or contracted form maint. No maint in English. If you get a sentence like this, the question tag will be either mightn't or won't. Won't they? That means will not. Is he there? Isn't he there? Isn't he there? So that is negation. So we have seen Three more forms of negation. One is yes no question, tag questions, and WH questions. So you have examples for all these. I think now it's clear to you. So we have seen 7 forms of primary verb negation. Four ones we have seen earlier and we have done the exercise. Now we have got additional 3. Now you have done the exercise. That's okay, clear? Everything is clear to you. I think that, okay? I think that everything is clear to you. Now, before we leave, keep distance, keep corona away. So that is our slogan for this week. We will have another slogan next week. So let us do our mind small, although it is a very small one, to fight this pandemic that is threatening the existence of living beings. That is what I mean is humans and animals. The animal kingdom, that is including us, threatening the existence, is threatening to extinguish us. So we will fight back, and finally the victory will be ours. Okay, so till we meet again, bye, have a nice day. Take care and take time to do exercises in English grammar, also learning lessons. Now as you can see, 234 tutorial sessions I have posted. Now 33, this I will post tomorrow. 33 tutorial session I have posted on YouTube. So I'm covering right from, I should say, from articles or determinants as you call today. From there we started and we have come to this. The entire trend system and the transformations, everything. So I humbly request you, use your time to learn grammar. If not my channel, any channel. And that will be a lifetime treasure with you. Because the grammar very rarely changes, or also slight changes are there. So if you want a lifetime treasure, then you should learn grammar. So see you. Bye. Have a nice day.